A question for gamers. How do you stop random lag spikes, weird disconnects, or DDoS attacks while playing? The fix often starts with your home internet setup. You can improve its security and learn the benefits of using a gaming VPN. Before diving into the solutions, let's discuss the threats gamers face. First, distributed denial of service, or DDoS attacks. Attackers disrupt the normal functioning of the target server or website by flooding it with traffic. It can sometimes knock you or the game server offline. Next, doxing and swatting. Doxing is the exposure of a person's home address, phone number, or workplace details. It usually happens during social media conflicts, gaming disputes, or interpersonal disagreements. Obtaining sensitive data may trigger a swatting attack. It's a false reporting of a serious emergency to trigger an armed law enforcement response at a targeted location. Account takeover is another common threat. Attackers might gain access to your gaming account and take it over. But external threats are not the only factors that affect your gaming. Your network performance is essential as well. First, distance and peering. Peering is a voluntary agreement between networks to exchange data. Distance in this case is the path data travels. Long or congested roads add jitter and can ruin the flow necessary for gaming. Second, Wi-Fi versus cable. This one's a no-brainer. If you can, use a cable connection because Wi-Fi interferences can increase latency. Third, router hygiene. Using old firmware and default credentials? It's an easy win for attackers. You should enable auto updates or manually update your router's firmware. What about the domain naming system, or DNS? Can changing it improve your gaming performance? Let's debunk common myths. Configuring the DNS can help web pages, game stores, and updates load faster, but for most games, it doesn't reduce in-game ping. It's not a magic fix for lag. You should use trusted DNS services because they can block harmful sites and keep things running smoothly. Another option is using a VPN for gaming. It changes your IP address and can reduce targeted DDoS attacks. A gaming VPN might help you avoid certain types of ISP throttling, such as bandwidth throttling for specific activities. A VPN like NordVPN also blocks online threats. Its Threat Protection Pro feature helps you identify malware-ridden files, stops you from landing on malicious websites, and blocks intrusive ads and trackers. A VPN can also make games run smoother or slower. It depends. You should pick a VPN server that is close to a game server. Use a modern, up-to-date VPN app and let it try a few servers to see which has the least lag. Let's run through a checklist of what you should do to improve your gaming performance. Go wired. Whenever you can, prefer cable to a wireless internet connection. It's usually more stable. Also, update router firmware and change the default admin password. You should use unique and complex passwords for your gaming accounts. Two-factor authentication is a must as well. Depending on the game, you might also face phishing attempts, such as other players offering you free skins. Be cautious. Instead of an upgrade, you might get malware. Enabling a VPN can help make your gaming safer and improve your protection against some kinds of DDoS attacks, especially ones that target your IP address.